Hey, I want to show you something. You see that scar right there? I'm in a little forest that's right next to town here. Down here, a little bit of a defect also. And then one more that's right over here. All three, same place, same forest, all that, same basic area. No, all three of those are going to have defects. The cool thing is we have a forest in town for people to enjoy. I love enjoying the forest. I'm glad it's here. But there's defects and things happen in forests when people are near them and involved. Road's right there. Anyway, just a cool tidbit of the day.